How to fix Valorant stuck at loading screen or map loading screen. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about fixing the issue of stucking of the screen in Valorant. So let's get started. First of all, you have to reboot your PC. At times, a simple restart can swiftly resolve the common issues. And if you're facing a Valorant loading screen problem, try rebooting your computer and relaunching the game to see if it resolves the issue. If the problem still persists, proceed to the next solution. Another common issue with the Valorant can be due to insufficient administrative permissions. To address this, launch Valorant with the administrator privileges. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut on your desktop and choose Properties. If you don't have a shortcut, locate the Valorant executable file in the File Explorer and right-click on it and choose Properties. In the window that appears, navigate to the Compatibility tab and tick the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes, and double-click the Valorant shortcut to run the game and enter a stable network by using a cable, restarting the network device, or using a VPN. Update your graphics driver in the device manager. Choose Search automatically for the updates in the window and then follow on-screen instructions. You may also install the Windows Update. Besides this, you can also reinstall the Valorant. Press Windows plus S and search for Control Panel, and then in Control Panel, choose the category view and then uninstall a program. Find Valorant in the list and uninstall it. Uninstall the Riot Vanguard, the anti-cheat program that comes with the Valorant. Then after, simply download and install Valorant again and check if it works properly. So this was all about it. This is how you can fix the loading screen getting stuck or map loading screen getting stuck on Valorant. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.